Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to borrow money for crypto on the Robinhood app. Robinhood offers margin investing through Robinhood Gold, which allows eligible users to borrow money against the value of their investments. This gives you additional buying power for certain securities. However, many people wonder if this borrowed money can also be used to purchase cryptocurrencies. Before you begin, it's important to understand that Robinhood currently does not allow margin buying power to be used for crypto purchases. Margin funds can only be used for eligible stocks and ETFs, while cryptocurrencies must be purchased using your available cash balance. Now let's see how it works. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign in to your account. Tap on your account icon, open the menu, then go to Robinhood Gold or Investing. If you want to borrow money through margin, you will first need to apply for margin investing. Robinhood will review your account to determine whether you meet the eligibility requirements. If you're approved, you'll receive additional buying power based on the value of eligible investments in your account. You can use this extra buying power to purchase eligible stocks and ETFs. However, Robinhood does not allow margin buying power to be used for cryptocurrency purchases. If you open a crypto page such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, you'll notice that crypto purchases must be made using your available cash balance rather than borrowed margin funds. If you want to buy crypto, you'll first need to deposit cash into your Robinhood account. Tap Transfers, then select Deposit. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the deposit. Once your funds become available, return to the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Tap Buy, enter the dollar amount or quantity, review your order carefully, and submit it. If you're using Robinhood Gold, remember that any margin you borrow for eligible securities will accrue interest until it's repaid. Always monitor your buying power, margin usage, interest charges, and account balance before borrowing money. Using margin increases both potential profits and potential losses, so it's important to borrow responsibly and understand the risks involved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.